Hi, I'm Ryan with Talos, and I'm here to show you how to activate your C10000 DJI charger. Alright, so now we have the manual, so whenever you guys need. All the information about the C10000 is in that guide right there. Moving on, now we have the charger itself. Cool. All right. So now to activate the C10000, so you don't necessarily have to have it plugged in. You can just have basically all you need is the T50 remote, your USB-C to A cable, and the charger itself. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna power this on. All right, so now that we're on the home page, we're gonna move over to device management, and we're gonna stay on this page right here for now. On the top portion of the remote controller, you're gonna open up this USB-A cover. And now moving on to the charger, there's a little cover right here you can plug your USB-C into. So I'm gonna plug this in, and now plug this into the charger. And now we see the lights lighting up on the charger itself. So it's going all yellow. Now we have a flashing yellow light. And just give it a moment. Cool. And now if we look over to the charger, now that we can see the charging device right here. So just gonna tap on that. We can see there's a new firmware version, and then at the very top, there's an option to activate. So we just select activate. And now your C10000 has been successfully activated. Once you do that, now we can pretty much update the firmware version to make sure it's up to date and good to work, good to go. So yeah. All right, again, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones, and that is how you activate your DJI C10000.